Dreaming of starting your own Etsy shop? Now you can, completely free. Click the special link in the description below to unlock 40 free listings on Etsy. Normally, it costs 20 cents to list a single product, but with this link, you'll get your first 40 listings absolutely free. Etsy is the world's top marketplace for handmade, vintage, and digital goods. Loved by millions of creators just like you, with 40 free listings, click the special referral link in the description. Once you're on the Etsy site, click Sign Up and create a new account using your email or Google. Then click Sell on Etsy and choose Open Your Shop. Next, follow the setup steps. Step 1. Click the referral link to sign up for a new Etsy account. Step 2. Shop preferences. Choose your shop language, country, and currency. Step 3. Shop name. Pick a unique shop name, 4 to 20 characters. Step 4. Listings. Add at least one product listing, photo, title, price, etc. Step 5. Payment setup. Enter your bank account for payouts. Step 6. Billing info. Add a credit-debit card. Etsy needs this to verify sellers. No charge if you're using the free listings. And your 40 free listings will be automatically applied. It's that easy. Click the link, enjoy your 40 free listings, and happy selling on Etsy. Your creative business begins with 40 free listings.